video is all about unboxing my new phone that I just recently just purchased. And I'm moving the current phone I have right now is much smaller. Smaller. This is my current phone. It's the same brand, and I had it for years, and I loved it, and I enjoyed it, and now it was time for an upgrade. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you the unboxing progress and why I chose to upgrade from this phone to the current phone. I hope you enjoyed me unboxing my new phone. Bye for now.